Okay. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? Oh no, this is dope. I think this is the lowest. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bukiwa. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. So today we are doing an unboxing video, and what are we unboxing? Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Yes, don't go anywhere. So we are unboxing this new baby right here. So I got the Neewer 18 inches ring light in the post yesterday, and I thought, you know what, before I set it all up, let me bring it to you guys so you guys can see what it looks like, and you'll be able to tell the difference from my lighting. The natural lighting cannot. That is why I thought, you know what, it's high time I invest in my channel. And lovelies, without no further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, this is the box that the lights came in, and inside this big box there is this bag in there, and also this little box which I believe is the stand because I purchased the kit one. So let's move on to opening the bag. This is how the inside looks like. I don't know what this is. I think this is the warranty or something. Yeah, but here is the installation instructions. Here is the colored filter, and you got 4 color filter here, and there are some rings. I don't know what this is yet. Oops. Here is the white filter. So let's see the real deal. This looks bigger than what I expected. Wow. This is the 18 inches Neewer ring lights. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. So let's see what this looks like plugged on. And yeah, that is all what is in this black bag. So let's unbox the small box that came with a big box, which is this one. So how do we open this? Okay. So let's see what is inside here. So this is empty. Oh, I don't know. Alright, I guess this is the camera or phone holder. I don't know what this is yet. And yeah, this is the stand. This is the stand. And oops. Anyways, I've got to read the instructions to know how to put all this together. I thought I'd come and show you guys what it looks like unboxing it together with you lovely. So let's go ahead and plug on the ring light to see what it looks like. This is what it looks like turning off, and oh, look at that. Okay, it's a dimmable one, so let's see what's going to happen. Let me try and dim it. Oh, that's turned off. Okay. Oh my goodness, can you guys see that? Oh no, this is dope. I think this is the lowest. Yeah, this is the lowest. It can dim, and this is the highest. Ooh, I don't want to get blind. So look, can you see the difference? Can you see the difference, you guys? Yeah, that is it turned off. So I had a bit of problem putting the white, attaching the white filter to it. It doesn't seem right, but that might be my fault, so I'll try and fix it up later. Yeah, it's not fully attached, so when I get up the video I'll play around it to see how it works. So let's turn it on again and see. You know, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm super duper excited. Whoa, look at that. Look at your girl. Zoom. Zoom. Yeah. That is the highest, and this is the lowest. This is the highest, and this is the lowest. So I love it. I love it. I love it. So now let's turn it off. And that is it turned off, you guys. Can you see the difference? So much different. Is this focus? Am I focused now? I don't even know. So lovely. I'll quickly run through all I've got in the box. So I've got the ring light itself and the white filter attached to the ring light. I attached this myself. I also got the orange colored filter. I got the soft tube, I believe soft tube, what you will need to attach your phone to the ring light stand. Yeah, I believe this is what it is for. I also got the ring light stand itself. I got the installation manual also in the box. So my lovelies, that's everything I got in my Neewer ring light package box. And yes, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna do a review about the ring light in a separate video, so make sure you watch out for the part 2. And yeah, thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's move on to the part 2. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you have not, share this video, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and make sure you turn on the notification bell just so you'd be notified anytime I have new video uploaded. So let's move on to the part 2. Thank you.